go for the determination of optimum moisture content and maximum dry density by help of standard compaction method. And here is the compaction mold fitted with a collar, and the material and apparatus required for this test are 3 kg of soil sample finely crossed and duly sieved by 4.75 mm sieve, and a rammer of 2.6 kg with height of free fall of 31 centimeter, and a measuring cylinder, trowels, spatula, screwdriver, scale, and a sensitive weighing balance for the moisture content determination. So let us prepare the sample. So first of all, we will add water into the soil, that is of 6% of the total weight of the soil sample. So in this case, we are taking around 180 gram of water, and we will mix this water into the soil uniformly. So now mix the sample properly, and after mixing, keep the sample with covering for 24 hours in order to uniform distribution of the moisture throughout the soil. So we'll keep this sample aside. Let us prepare for the mold. So for density, we require the volume. So we have to take the diameter and height of the mold without collar, and we have to take the empty weight of the mold also. And note down the reading. Then after, we will provide a layer of grease or industrial Vaseline inside the mold. And one thing you must notice, these are the nut and bolt are fitted with the mold. If you are taking the empty weight with the nut bolt, then always during the test you have to take the weight of the sample along with the soil with nut and bolt, because nut and bolt have some weight also. So after 24 hours, we found the soil has been uniformly distributed with the water content what you have provided, that is 6% of the total weight. And in our case, we will not use the rammer, standard rammer, that is manually. We use the mechanical method, that is the auto compactor. Here is the machine of auto compactor, and we will provide the same rammer equivalent to the what I have already discussed earlier. Then we will fix this rammer into the machine. Now we will fill this mold with the soil. We have to fill this 1/3 of this mold because we have to provide blows of each 25 with 3 layers for a single one-time shampoo. So after filling 1/3, we will fix this mold with the machine. Base is fitted with the machine platform and clamped properly. Then we will reset the counter here, and we have fixed the counter for 25 number of blows. Now we'll provide the switch on. Likewise, we have to fill 3 layer of the mold and giving the blows for 25 times. We'll go for the second layer. Once again, we have to unclamp the mold and go for the third round. And on each layer, we have to scratch upon the soil surface so that the next layer will be finely merged with the lower layer. Next, fill with the soil or the third layer. Once again, we will fix this with the platform. reset the counter. So after the third layer, open the cooler by rotating anti-clockwise, and you see there is a soil mass above the uh, lower button mold. So we will trim this with the help of a knife or a spatula with level to the top surface of the mold. Now it is parallel to the mold surface. Next, we will wet this mold along with the soil. Here on the first round, we get our moisture content 6,441 gram. Next, we will remove this soil sample into the tray. Then we will add another 3% of water content, that is weight of the initial amount of the soil sample, into the soil and mix it properly. Then we will go for the another round of the compaction by adding 3 layers. We will remove this soil with help of screwdriver. And from the soil sample, we will keep some soil for the determination of moisture content. Next, we will completely remove this soil and once again apply a thin layer of grease inside the mold, and by adding the water again we will go for the compaction. Once again we will wet the water of the 3% of the total mass, that is 90 gram. Then we will mix this water into the soil sample and mix it thoroughly once again properly.